Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all, happy Easter to everyone. Today is going to be an Easter special, first Easter special. So I thought I'd do something kind of cool today. Some things that I received in my Easter basket earlier this morning. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So first up, oh, these were in my other video. Oops, wasn't supposed to be there. Anyways, I got 2 packs of couplers. I bought these yesterday, but I forgot that they weren't gifts. But anyways, I guess I'll still count it. So first up, we have a Walther's Bright Boy track cleaner. My mom apparently got this for $9, it looks like. Plus tax, whatever it was. But this is like a track cleaner, I guess. I have no idea how well it works, but I'll have to find out. Next up, my mom got me some Walther's Mainline HO Scale Scene Master forklifts because I'm going to have a loading dock. So I thought for my factories I'd get some forklifts, but while I was in the train shop yesterday, I said, Mom, I almost bought these last time I was in the store, but I didn't buy them yesterday, so I just thought they were kind of overpriced because they're $15 for 2 forklifts, but they're pretty well detailed, so I won't complain about that. My mom hears enough complaining from me. So next up we have some culverts for like rivers and such. They're very realistic, it says. They're from Woodland Scenics. So yeah, they were $11, it looks like. There are... There are 2 culverts. There are 2 culverts there, and there's the little side things there. The little side arches. So there are 2 in there of each. Next up, we got some re-railers. I've been wanting to get these for a while. I was digging through some track boxes yesterday because I thought I had some regular straight re-railers because I need some on the layout because it's just easy, and also it's good for crossing as well. So my mom got a 3-pack for $11.50. Surprisingly, there was one that wasn't Atlas. I think it was an Athearn. I don't remember though. But there was just one in there, and it was $12 by itself. And I go, Mom, why is there one for $12, but there's 3 for $11.50? So that was definitely a ripoff, but luckily she got this one. Wait, I bought this. Wait, no, she did. Anyways, last but not least, I got Walther's Mainline Trackside Vintage detail kits. So there's a bunch of little they're kits, but they're the little like boxes that you see next to crossings that have the little sight light, I guess, or whatever you call it. I don't know, but they're like signal cabinets, I guess, is what they call them. So she got me a pack of these for $20, and I also thought this was kind of a ripoff, but I don't know. Plus they were kits too, which kind of makes it even worse. But what can I say? It's pretty cool. So anyways, I just wanted to share what I got for Easter. So that was everything that I got train related. I did get some other stuff, including some candy. So I'll be enjoying that as well. Next up, well, still working on the cement factory there. So, yeah, it's kind of on pause right now. I haven't worked on it for a couple days, but I'll be working on them. I also got some crossing pieces, like they go there on the crossing, but I need curved ones because I have curves. I was thinking about putting this in, but I'm just going to use one of the re-railers there. I'll figure out a plan for this in the future. Cat. Say hi to the camera, Maisie. Okay. Anyways, I've been doing some switching action. The Pennsylvania set runs great still. I mean, because why wouldn't it? I just did a video on that earlier. I do have some other video ideas planned in the future. I just thought this one would be kind of cool because it's Easter. So I thought I'd share what I got. Oh, also, I forgot to share that I got an entire new wrap, plastic wrap. I got a big roll of it, so I got more of that to help me out with the mountain. Because I have some before, but there wasn't too much of it left. So, got that. This Santa Fe Tyco, I'm still trying to figure out, but I don't know if I'm going to do anything with it. So, I'll have to figure that out later. I don't have any money right now because I spent it all at the train store the other day. All the cash that I had, which was $225. Because I got that, and that was $180 by itself. And I got some other cool things along with it. And no, I haven't forgotten about the Coca-Cola stuff. I just got to unpackage it, unbox it. So I guess I'll be doing that around here as well. Because why not? It's Easter. Okay. So I kind of want to keep these in the box because they're kind of like collector's items, but I want them out of the box at the same time. So I guess we'll start with the vending machines. These are just little Coca-Cola vending machines. 1960s Coca-Cola vending machines. So it's in the box. And it says there is one out of 1,008 of different vending machines out there made by Mini Details. So I just thought that was kind of a cool fact. There they go. As soon as I opened the package, they all fell out. Wow. That's really cool. That's really cool. They're super tiny. So, oh, so, I will definitely be putting these on the layout somewhere. I don't know where yet. Now, is this something, or do they just put like a piece of plastic in there? Oh, no, it's just for decoration, I guess. Anyways, that's really cool. I like these little vending machines already. So next up, oh, I forgot to say, I got that 4-pack for $9. For about $9. Next up, we have the Coca-Cola billboard, and it says, "Drink Coca-Cola, lunch refreshed." I think there was another Coca-Cola billboard, but I like this one better. It just looked more classic than the other one. I got this one for $11.69. 69. Anyways, this is one of 720, so I just thought that was pretty cool as well. I do kind of feel bad for taking these out of the package, only because they're so classic to look at, even just. But at the same time, I want to be able to enjoy them on my layout. So, oh, there's a piece of plastic holding it in the container. Alright, check this out. I think that's plaster, but I can't tell. That is really cool. Has its own little stand at the bottom too. I think maybe if I can, you know those like lights for billboards. I think I might try and get some of those to like shine down on it, and I'll put it like next to the road or something. It'll look really cool. So I guess while I'm here, I'll find a spot for these. Take the billboard over first. I have no idea where to put it yet. Just say right there, maybe. I'll take these. These aren't as high in detail as I thought they would be, but that's alright. They're still pretty cool. Put one at the station or the Amtrak station. I think I'll put one. Where should I put one? I'm thinking maybe like right in here, or maybe like on the platform, maybe. I'll have to glue them down. It's a little small, but it's there. So I will definitely glue these down when I have them all finished. I don't know where else to put these. Oh, put one at the loading dock station that I have covered with crap at the moment. Oh, crap. Definitely shows that I care about my stuff, right? So I'll put one right in there, next to the door there. And, not sure where to put the last two. I'm sure when I put more details in, I'll put one in somewhere. Maybe put one right next to the factory there. Oh, I put it upside down. There we go. So now it's right in there. Get a good shot of that. Okay. So next, I will put the last one right here for the engineers, so that they can stop at the switch here, grab a drink. So I think these little details will put some fun pieces onto them. And I will definitely do a kit build for this one, and I won't on this. I'll probably install these after I film this, and I'll probably put these. In fact, I'll just unbox them as well now. These are Walther's Mainline Seamasters. I also want to take the time while I'm unboxing this. I want to take the time to thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. I know I haven't really done anything yet. I am doing a giveaway though. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram, drews.athearn.trains. I have 108 followers now. So a little more popular on Instagram than I thought I would be. So that's always nice. I did get a handout from a friend though. There we go. It's always good to have the X-Acto knife around. So once again, thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. I mean, I wouldn't think I would make it this far as a YouTuber. I thought I would just kind of get tired of doing YouTube after a while because I don't have any subscribers, and I just would stop there. Apparently not. Still going now. So, this September or October, it'll be 2 years that I've been doing YouTube. Well, I've been doing YouTube with trains for about 10 months now. Well, not even that. 8 months, maybe? Anyways, let's go put these little forklifts on the layout. So I'll put one at the station. Put the camera down. There we go. Fits in pretty well. Put it next to that fragile box. And then I'll put this one out next to the factory here. Because, I mean, well, always need a forklift with your factory. So it's right there. And, got a forklift there. I will be doing the rest off camera. I'm going to check out how this Bright Boy works. Well, happy Easter, everyone, and wear your seatbelt.